how's it going, everybody? And welcome back to Pop's Movie Dungeon. I have got a really fast unboxing of the new limited edition Digipack 4K Ultra HD from Second Sight of the movie Drive. This is one that I have been anticipating for a while, but whenever I first seen this in the mail today, my FedEx box was really beat to hell. And the only damage I see is right here on the corner. I got a little spot there, but I'm just gonna deal with it. I think once I get the wrapping off, I might be able to push that up a little bit. It's not going to be too bad. It's just an annoyance. I could go through the aggravation of sending this thing back and requesting another one, but I think just that one little corner, I'm just going to deal with it. All right, guys, we will go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Let me go ahead and get this thing started here. We will get this thing unboxed and we will look at this thing together. And guys, I've injured my back. My back is hurting a little bit. I did want to get this out there and show you guys, because I know there's a lot of people that have ordered this that probably have not received it yet. I feel like I got mine pretty early. So I did want to go in here and show this to you guys as soon as I could. So I apologize. This is going to be a fast, short video. We will get that plastic off there. I think that's center of the camera there. Good enough. So, like I said, that one little spot right there is definitely an annoyance. And I may end up sending this thing back. I don't know. I think it's going to be fine. So I'm going to keep on working at that and see if I can get that pushed back up, whatever. But you know, it's just no reason why they can't ship these things in better packaging. It's really annoying. But guys, there's the front. We'll do it once around and then we'll talk about the movie, talk about the specs. And obviously I have not watched this release yet because you see me just now unboxing it. There's the bottom. And nothing on the top. All right, we'll get this J card off. I normally don't keep those on there, but we'll see. All right, here's the once around the box without the J card. And guys, this thing looks absolutely fantastic. It really does. Now on the pictures online, this design actually like it was going to be embossed, but it's not. It's flat against the box. Guys, you got some wording there on the back, and I'm just going to leave this here if you guys want to pause the video. I'm not going to bore everybody and read all that, but you guys can probably freeze your TV or your phone and probably read that if you like. I think that's in focus there. But we'll go ahead and get this thing open and see what we got, guys. Like I said, this is one that I have really been excited to check out. You know, Second Sight really kills it with these box sets. And we'll go ahead and set that over to the side there. First thing we got here is we have a really nice book here. Look, I'm assuming the movie was based on this book. Honestly, I'm going to be totally honest with you. I don't know if this is the novelization of the movie or if the movie was based on this book. What I found, it looks like the book was written by James Sallis, S-A-L-L-I-S. Not familiar, but I'm sure there's somebody in the comments can let me know. But that is just it's either the book the movie is based on or a novelization of the movie. I'm not sure. But that's nice to have. It could be a good read. Move that to the side there. Well, next, let's see what we have here. Looks like a little Digipack. And here we're getting the 4K disc and the Blu-ray disc inside this nice Digibook. You know, nothing too sturdy, you know, but it's packaged in that big old box with her, so it'll stay safe. Next up, we have some cards here. We'll go through these real fast. There's a nice one of Ryan Gosling there. I believe her name is Carey Mulligan, if I remember correctly. I've seen this movie a couple times, but it has been a while. We'll see what's on the back. Nothing on the back of these guys. And these are pretty high quality card stock here. Nice one of Bryan Cranston there, one of my favorites. Albert Brooks. Ron Perlman. And this is nice. I don't even have to go through who all's in the movie. They're pretty much showing all the main cast here. And here we have a really nice hardbound book. I'm not even sure what this is, to be honest with you. I'll put that up there so you guys want to read that. Hopefully that's in focus there. You guys can pause and read. And this looks like it's some different information about the movie. Yeah, you got here's the table of contents. You got the storyboard, an exclusive interview with Drive author James Sallis, Drive page versus screen. And if you guys are into books about movies and information about a movie, I don't think you're going to do any better than that. Look how thick that book is. I mean, yeah, that right there is that's pretty nice, and it's very hardbound. I mean, guys, this is I mean, Second Sight just knocks it out of the park with their quality. They really do. Some nice images from the movie, and I'm really looking forward to checking this movie out again. It has been years since I've seen it. I want to say that I watched it with my oldest son whenever it was out on video, way back in the day. But yeah, some really good shots for the movie there. Go through a few more pages and show you guys. And I have really become a fan of Second Sight ever since that Dawn of the Dead box set. So anything they put out, if it's a movie that I'm interested in, which this one definitely is, yeah, I'm definitely gonna be on board. But just to give you guys some ideas about the specs here, you're getting an HDR Dolby Vision HDR10, and the audio you are getting a Dolby Atmos track, a Dolby True HD 7.1, and a DTS HD Master Audio 5.1. And it comes with a slip box, the digipack, the booklet, and of course you get the cards. But guys, another great release by Second Sight. A big fan of this movie. But those that are not familiar with the movie, it came out in 2011, and it says an action drama about a mysterious Hollywood stuntman and mechanic who moonlights as a getaway driver and finds himself in trouble when he helps out his neighbor. It was directed by Nicholas Winding Refn, or R-E-F-N, however you say that. And you guys just seen those cards, but I'll go over it one more time. It stars Ryan Gosling, Carey Mulligan, Bryan Cranston, Albert Brooks, Oscar Isaac, Christina Hendricks, Ron Perlman. Got a great cast, guys. If you haven't seen this movie, definitely check it out. If you guys are interested in this set, based on other sets by Second Sight, I would expect this thing's going to go out of stock. I know that Dawn of the Dead set became a real hot item. I know Dawn of the Dead has more of a cult following than this movie does, but I truly believe that if you want to get this, I would go ahead and get it sooner than later. Like I said, these Second Sight editions, these limited editions, we usually go out of stock pretty quick. Now let's see if I can read you guys. Let me get all this out of the way and we'll go over some of the special features. All right. You get a special edition release presented by Second Sight Films and director Nicholas Winding, I'm going to say it wrong again. We'll just say R-E-F-N. UHD and Blu-ray presentations of the feature and special features. New 4K master produced by original post-production company and approved by Nicholas Winding, R-E-F-N. UHD presented in Dolby Vision, HDR graded by the film's original colorist, which is always a good thing. UHD Dolby Atmos audio, new exclusive audio commentary by the director, and the Guardian film critic Peter Bradshaw. You also get something called Drive, a conversation with the director, the editor Matt Newman, and composer Cliff Martinez. Cutting a Getaway, a new interview with Matt Newman. 3 Point Turns, a new video essay by Leah Singer. Now the limited edition contents, you get a 240-page hardback book with new essays by Travis Crawford, Hannah Strong, Allison Taylor, Matthew Thrift, Simon Ward, Thomas Joseph Watson, Emma Westwood, I have no idea who any of those people are, guys, sorry. An exclusive new interview with author James Salas by Matthew Thrift. Original storyboards featuring Staples Center Chase, Bank Chase, Elevator, Tan Suit, and Final Chase. Stills and behind-the-scenes photos. The original novel with exclusive new artwork, so that answers that question. And you also get the 7 collector's art cards. So that is what you're getting, guys. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. I mean, this thing looks fantastic. But we're going to get all this put back together again. Like I said, everything just kind of slides into the box like that. So you guys can kind of see. Really, really fancy packaging. And then it just slides back into the box. And there it is, guys. Put it back in that J card. Like I said, sometimes I say the J card, sometimes I don't. I think with this one I probably will. Just play it up there on the shelf. But anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, that's going to bother the piss out of me right there. I don't know what I'm going to do about that. We'll see. But guys, thank y'all so much for watching the video. And I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. I will be back with some more videos real soon. And you guys take care.